And we're here in Harare, Zimbabwe with Celestino Mukavhi. Celestino works here with Dominic. Good morning.
Morning.
Celestino, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm good.
Yeah.
So tell us, Celestino, how long have you been sculpting?
I think since 1988.
Since 88.
Yes.
And where did you start?
I started at Chapungu Sculpture Park.
At Chapungu. And who taught you sculpting?
Boira Mteki.
Boira Mteki.
Yes.
So you worked with Boira.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And when did you join Dominic's studio?
I joined Dominic's studio 98.
1998. So you've been here a long time.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what's your favorite stone to use?
The Springstone.
Springstone, your favorite?
Yes, and also the butter jade.
Butter jade.
Yeah, and also this leopard.
And this is leopard stone.
Yes.
There's a small torso in leopard stone.
Yeah.
Celestino specializes in torsos. Can you just move your right hand so we can see? Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, very distinctive style. And we'll show you a couple more torsos here of Celestino's. Now Celestino, what stone is this brown one?
This one is just a serpentine.
It's serpentine.
Yeah. It's, from a new mine which is just opened recently at the Tengenenge.
Oh, from Tengenenge.
Yes,
Okay.
Yeah.
As I said, Celestino works with Dominic, and Dominic bought Tengenenge from Tom Bloomfield probably about a year ago. Today is May the 15th, 2010, so here's some smaller torsos. And then a larger Springstone torso. Celestino's work is available from Utonga Gallery at www.utonga.com. Alright Celestino, thank you very much.
Okay.
And you have a good day.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.